Hello and welcome to another episode of latest update. The topic of discussion is DeepSeek's artificial intelligence app. DeepSeek is a Chinese artificial intelligence company headquartered in Hangzhou, China. Despite being founded in July 2023, the company has achieved remarkable success in a short time with the release of its artificial intelligence powered chatbot app, which quickly became the most downloaded free app on Apple's store in the US after its launch on January 10, 2025. Before we proceed, we have an important announcement for you. Drishti IAS is pleased to announce a new badge for the IAS-JS Foundation Prelims Plus Mains course at its Noida branch. The English medium batch will commence on 17th February. The Hindi medium batch will begin on 21st February. For more details, call us at 87501 87501. Key highlights of DeepSeek's AI app. The app became the top-rated free application in the US on Apple's App Store shortly after its release. Its functions are similar to ChatGPT and are designed to answer questions and enhance life efficiently. It avoids politically sensitive topics such as the Tiananmen Square incident, reflecting controlled content filters. Remarkably, the app was developed with just $6 million, a stark contrast to the billions spent by AI giants like OpenAI in the US. DeepSeek utilized a mix of NVIDIA A100 chips and low-cost, lower-end chips to build its systems. This approach demonstrated that cutting-edge AI development can be achieved without the most expensive high-performance chips. Impact on global markets. Its low-cost development model challenges the US AI dominance and raises questions about the future of high-end semiconductor demand. The world's leading AI chip maker, NVIDIA, experienced a historic $600 billion loss in market value as its stock fell 17% recently. DeepSeek's innovative approach undercuts the traditional belief that large budgets and premium chips are prerequisites for AI success. This has created uncertainty about the future of high-performance semiconductor chips. What unique strategy did DeepSeek use to develop its AI models? Utilizing only high-end NVIDIA chips, combining high-end and lower-cost semiconductor chips, relying exclusively on cloud computing, or developing proprietary chips? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.